X S किस बच्चों का ऑनलाइन स्कूल।
Let's learn about body parts. Which body part is this? Head. Which body part is this? Eye. Which body part is this? Nose. Which body part is this? Ears. Which body part is this? Mouth. Which body part is this? Arm. Which body part is this? Hand. Which body part is this? Knee. Which body part is this? Leg. Which body part is this? Foot. Head. Eye. Nose. Ears. Mouth. Arm. Hand. Knee. Leg. Foot.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel for more videos. See you in next video. Bye kids.